All right, what up, guys? We're right here in San Diego, California, in a private high-rise apartment in the Coronado Penthouse Suite, all right? This guy is a 21-year-old entrepreneur that is a 7-figure earner. So we're gonna get to know him, we're gonna get to see the penthouse, and we're gonna get to see the view. Also, he's gonna put us on game, give us a little background story of where he started and where he's at now, all right? So stay tuned. Subscribe to the AmbitiousEdge YouTube channel. Blah. Hey, there he is. What up, my G?
Yes.
All right. So for the people that don't know you, what's your name, what do you do, and how old are you?
Yeah, so my name is Trey. I'm a 7-figure internet entrepreneur. I help other people like yourselves make money online, and I'm actually 21 years old.
All right,
A little bit of shocker on that one.
So we're gonna go in. Can we check out the penthouse?
Hey, the signature penthouse, the Coronado unit. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Damn, this is the penthouse right here. And what floor is this?
So we're on the 21st floor. So we're shorter building, but bigger penthouses.
21st floor with the crazy ass view. And I see the drip. You got the Gucci shoes too, or what? The Dior's?
That's the closet.
What?
Outside the closet.
Damn. All right, so we got the drip right here. So which one is the most expensive shoe on this lineup right now?
The most expensive one, probably the Dior's.
The Dior's?
People who don't know, they'll look and say that, oh, this is like 20 grand worth of stuff. I mean, these were probably, I lied, these are probably like 2 G's, $1,000, $1,000, $1,500. The ones I'm wearing right now, probably under like $1,500. But these aren't the real shoes. These aren't the YSL boots or the red bottoms. These are like the beaters. Like, these are like tennis shoes. Those are the ones you wear.
We got like $5,000, $6,000, maybe $7,000 worth of shoes alone. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know, right? How do you want to cut, G?
Say, take it down again. Just so it's like, I like this like spiky ass look.
Or you want me to trim the top?
Yeah, cause I like it looks like spiky and messy. It's like a f***ing mohawk with that little fade on the side.
All right.
He likes his little mohawk mullet.
Little mohawk.